Hi guys, in front of me is ROG Phone 9 and let me show you how to clear browsing data. First of all, open the browser that you are using. In my case, it is Google Chrome. Now tap on More icon. Tap on More icon and select Delete Browsing Data. Here, you can either perform some quick cleanup or mark more options. And here you can customize it fully, so you can also mark saved passwords, auto-fill from data, or site settings to be removed. So just mark the information that you want to get rid of, then choose the time range and mark the data. And that's it, that will be all. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.